sharing this video. Hope this helps. So what we need to do is make a smile kind of a shape. So what you need to do is just drag your brush like this. You have to keep the shade light. The color of your rose which you have chosen should be light diluted with either white or water diluted with binder paste. After this, you have to determine how big you want the circle. So we keep it close. We wanted this big a depth. Okay. Now the center part, here we have to either drag it or whatever is comfortable. You can do it with your brush like this. Make a flat leaf like this. Third petal is going to be the one from the center of these two petals. So this is the place, and remember, always stay close to the circle, this circle. So we again drag it like this. You can either use your round brush or flat brush. Okay, again here like this. Don't make a rounded petal. It should be kind of uneven like this. Again, from the gap, make one close to the circle, and again from here close to the circle. This will come with practice. You have to attempt it several times. Only then you'll get the exact shape. For now, as I told you, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 strokes. The shape is almost very clear. Now you can just make a few lines like this, alternatively coming towards the center. And now you need to take a darker tone to be added. You can use either maroon or the red directly, crimson. Here in the center, you can see this. If you don't want too dark flower, you can just use the crimson diluted with water. Always stay below the line. You know, this is a line covered with light red. You can say pink. Use the brush, fine brush below it. Again below it. Similarly, like this. Again come here. Use it. Cover those white lines. Cover these white lines. Press it a bit so that it gets merged with the color at the back. We don't want to make a curve one single line like this. It should be well merged with the background. You can see how it is merging itself. So now here too. So you can increase the center. If you want to keep the depth more, you can increase it like this. And this is how your one small rose is ready. Now the similar rose can be achieved with the center, closed center. When I say closed center, I mean something like this. So for this, we need to make 2 petals together. So once again, I'll repeat the process. You can just have a look how to go about this. You can see I'm adding water, small amount of binder paste, so that the colors stay on the fabric and do not fade off. Again, I'll make one more. Make 2 petals like this. Drag it like this. Leave. You can just make a shape with the help of brush. Again, stay close and stay close like this. Now make a circle like this, and we do repeat the same process. The now petal right in the center. You can either drag or make it the way you want with the help of brush. In between these 2 petals. Again between these 2 petals. Again from the center, close to the circle. If you want, we're done with this rose, but if you want to have a few more layers, you can add it like this. Okay. Now the darker tones. You can come with your dark tones here. And as I told you, you need to cover these white lines like this. Merge it with the background. Keep your brush lightly. Do not press it too hard once you're adding darker tones, else it will get too maroonish or reddish towards the base. We don't want to cover those lines towards outskirts, because as I told you in the very first rose we did, we want to keep the tips lighter. So your base should be darker and the tips lighter. This is how you can keep the base dark, and again adding to dark tones here. And now use the darkest tone to the flower as I did here. I'm adding maroon directly. Before this I was adding crimson red. So now again the same process, but not all of it, just at places. Again here. Don't add too much of maroon, else it may get dark and dull. So be very careful while using darker tones, darkest tones. You can just see how it comes out to be, okay? Not more than this, else it may spoil as well. I don't want to hide these red color. The red makes it look bright and beautiful. So ladies, I want you all to practice these two. Tomorrow we'll do the spiral one, which I showed you. I'll just show you again. Yeah, here. This one. We'll do this tomorrow on cotton first, and then a few birds, kaliyan banayenge, few half roses like it's not fully bloomed, and leaves, stems, the whole composition on cotton as well as on organza. Okay, hope this helps. I'm again trying to find out the reason for all the problems which we had during the session, but this video I'm sure will help you. In case of any doubt, you can reach out to me or make a voice note and share it in the group as well. Thank you so much.